How to check Google Maps history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Once you're on the main map screen, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. A menu will appear on your screen. From this menu, tap on your timeline as shown, to access your location history. Your timeline helps you rediscover the places you've been and the routes you've traveled. As you can see, a panel pops up where it will show your visits and routes for the day. Here, tap on Review Settings as shown. You can see the location history for this account is currently turned off. To view the history for a specific day, tap on Today to open the calendar view. Select any previous date to see the places you visited, provided your timeline was active. Following these steps, you can check your Google Maps history on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.